All right, here we are, y'all. This is my space. So, got door to the breezeway, a couple of bathrooms, this weird doohickey thing. We're gonna put needles all over this wall. And there's the front doors, which are lovely. Love the double doors. Look. And then just a big blank wall that we can put lots of stuff on. Yeah, so today I'm just going to be cleaning things out and assembling a couple of shelves that I got for the bathrooms, and then we will see where the afternoon leads after that. The banner is screwed in, so we'll have to come back on another day because I didn't bring a screwdriver. Okay, so while I continue cleaning here, I will just catch some of you up that maybe don't follow me on Facebook. About the beginning of April, I entered a contest through the Fort Smith Commerce Collective Business Incubator Program. It's quite the mouthful. And I was chosen as a finalist. And then on May 1st, I gave a live business pitch presentation in front of a panel of judges, and I actually won. And I'm so excited to announce that my yarn shop will be coming to Fort Smith very, very soon. The contest awarded me this retail space, internet and utilities, all paid for until the end of January of 2027. I could not be more excited to be on this journey, and I hope that you will follow along for more. All right, all done with the floors. So now we're going to put together these shelves that I got off of Temu for the bathrooms. One down, many more to go. You know what? Let's just get this over with. There we go. I don't like the curtain, so we're gonna get some fabric for that because this just looks like a cheap shower curtain. But it's all done. Close it up. so I'm going to unpack my cleaning supplies into this in the bathroom, and then I'm going to call it a day. So just keep on following for more updates, and we'll see you next time.